Those are big. What are you doing?
Big as what was there. I actually think your wrist might be slightly outwards from where it would have been before. 40 mil here. About the same. I think I should just swap it over. This is going to be... Okay. I like that it's all 4 mil.
That's nice.
Dude, this is gonna be dope.
Oh, yeah. Dewey.
Yes, that out of the way. That'll be one finger, just like that.
Boom.
Maybe about like that. A rough idea, get a test ride on it. Super easy to change out your stuff here. You have the shortest bar in the world to pull off of. It's gonna fix it. So, orientation be like that.
Oh, yeah.
It's so hard to think like this. It's like everything's kind of backwards. Dude, it'd be fine. It's actually gonna be cool.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to play a few of the hottest songs from Spotify's daily chart.
It feels amazing. That shifter feels great. I think it feels as good as the X01 that I have. Oh no!
Fucking
Unraveled it.
butchered it.
Unraveled it
Damn.
already. Had a single strand coming off it. We don't have black ones? Longer screws than I was expecting.
Jesus.
Long old dude. Yeah, you're right.
Got it.
It's running away from me. There it goes. And before. Yeah, like that would be a little nice. Just have a little bit of slack.
Fingernail mark.
Let me make sure it's all the way clicked out. Needs a little help going there. We need congruity in the story because you're wearing something different than you were a minute ago.
Yeah. Feel good?
Oh yeah.
What are you doing?
Out on the brake lever. But we're not wrapping up here, so I can tweak that stuff later.
Sure. Even if it was wrapped, you can have a little room.
This is such a good idea. It's almost like, why isn't this just done, you know? Alright, thickest bar tape we got.
Thick boy.
Yeah. I'm not a big carbon fan.
Lizard skins.
We ain't got anything thick.
I guess not. Ergon 3.5.
That's what I want. Yeah. That's
really good.
Instead of from bottom up, I want top down, right?
Maybe 18. And he's like, he just annoys me.
Poor kid.
That's what I was kind of thinking.
8, and I had just a little bit of wrap there. Here I'm still got an 1/8 gap.
Oh.
How did I manage that? I got closer that time. And then we went bottom up or.
Check ignition.
Yeah.
My heart is beating, swelling, serpentine killer, bound by it.
Super glue. Like you put the cloth next to itself
No.
and then lay a really thin lining. I like it.
That's the thought. That's my thought. Not look too crazy.
Come back.